Is a hair product that has a matte finish better for your hair, or a product that has a shine to it? Is that better for your hair? Well, I'm going to break down both of those types of products and kind of explain my understanding and scenario of them and why I would use which and the biggest difference. So when it comes to matte I have matte products. Okay, you hear matte paste, matte clay, matte this. Hey Matt, what's up, bro? I'm Steve. How you doing? Matte is all over the place. Okay, you hear matte constantly, and everybody is so anti-shine. You know, I want a product with no shine whatsoever. Well, first of all, matte. Okay, what matte is dull. Okay, matte means it's just dull, could look lifeless. That's because it's not producing any sort, like a matte black. If you're painting or matte, whatever it is, it looks kind of lifeless. That's because there's no natural shine to it. You're diluting any sort of vibrancy on that result. So when it comes to a matte hair product, yes, everybody is so fixated on, you know, I want something that's going to eliminate shine as much as I possibly can. But just keep in mind, if you have extremely dry hair that is fried, it's frizzy, it's just out of control, complete mess, when you're using products and clays and things that are so focused on the matte finish and that feel like just awful, right? It feels like sandpaper, you know, it's awful. That is gonna make your hair look even more dry, even more just not healthy looking, okay? Matte products, in my opinion, work best on somebody who has shorter hair, right? Really, really healthy hair. You know, they can add a lot of texture to it. The hair is thick. The hair may be a little bit on the finer side, but something where the style is going to look okay if there's not a lot of shine to it or vibrancy as far as, you know, like a hair color, for example. So really, really short kind of spiky hairstyles look great with matte finished products. If your hair tends to naturally get a bit oily, right? You know, that's gonna help soak up and camouflage those oils. So matte products are great for that. Now, products that add shine, whether it's like a smoothing serum or a shine spray or a pomade. I know there's like the matte pomade craze. To me, traditionally, pomades are designed to just be like that classic, think like a 1940s hairstyle or 20s, 30s, where you got the severe side parting and it's completely slicked back. It's designed to be shiny and sleek and controlling and have like a wet, shiny look. That's like the old school pomade, all right? That's what that product did. That's what I always use a pomade for. Then, you know, in the recent past, pomades have, you know, a matte pomade, and I'm actually working on a matte pomade. But like, it's become more of a new type of trend with having a matte pomade, which to me, I'm like, well, why call it a pomade when a pomade is really designed to give you shine? So where or what type of hair would be great, right, to showcase some of that shine? So when you see curtain haircut styles like this, or center part hairstyles, or longer flowing type of hairstyles, even for something like this, okay? But more traditionally, the one length type of styles. This is something where you might want to see the shine, okay? You can either enhance it, because if your hair is very dry, very straw-like, has no life or shine to it whatsoever, you gotta make your hair look healthy, and adding shine to it is the only way it's gonna look healthy. And you can achieve that by using, in one of my previous videos, the round brush, making it nice and smooth, getting rid of that frizz, and then maybe using a shine spray, or maybe using a smoothing serum or a pomade, right? Very, very lightly just lay over the top section of the hair like this, and almost like you're petting your hair, just to remove those frizzied ends and all that frizz and static. And that's a great way to, you know, make your hair look a little bit healthier, because your hair is lacking the shine. So typically on longer types of hairstyles, that's where the shine will come in. Matte products tend to be more clay type paste they are gonna be very difficult to work with on thicker hair types unless, like I have my clutch as a cream clay, okay? Or my grooming paste. They're designed to actually get through the hair much quicker and easier, right? I've always said they're user-friendly. If you take like a super heavy clay and you try to apply it on something, a hairstyle like this or hair length like this, it's gonna be a disaster, okay? A complete disaster. Your hand's gonna get stuck and you're gonna be ripping hairs out. So a smoothing serum or like a grooming cream or something like Shadow or something is a great product for longer hair types. Again, we're not so focused on the matte finish. We're more concerned on the hair appearing healthier looking. Matte, again, it's designed for really, really short hairstyles for people who aren't looking for a lot of shine in their hair. But if your hair is super dry and dull and fried and frizzy, you probably want to add some shine to your hair to make it look healthier. So please let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful, and use code YouTube20 for 20% off at shop.thesalonguy.com.